I love you since 1992. For me po kasi, pinapalitan ko po yung tanong lagi sa sarili ko na what is the purpose, parang ano yung pinaka-kailangan bakit mo siya sinulat. So, yes, it's heartbreaking, but at the same time, nakikita ko po sa kanila yung dedication and passion when it comes to doing their work. And I really admire how they love and read the story. Kaya po, super thank you po ako with Viva and sa mga sunshines na sumusuporta. And at the same time, I acknowledge the sentiments of those readers po na kung maganda sasaktan. But let's celebrate and focus po sa ating journey with the Love You Since 1992 at Viva.
Thank you, Mia.